what I'm doing here is I'm trying to rejuvenate some potting mix rather than just throwing it out or doing whatever you do with it. So I've got this rather depleted potting mix. It's been sitting around for a while, nothing growing in it. So we're going to try and bring it back to life. Basically, I've got 1/3 potting mix, depleted potting mix, probably 1/3, in this case it's sheep manure, which I'll mix through, and then the magic ingredient. This is worm castings, and I'll feed the worms all kind of things. So you can see there's old hanging basket, which that'll be fine in there. Eggs, tea bags, but they're no good if they're the plastic ones. And we'll put a fair bit of that in there. Most of it's gone. That's just a bit of eggshell. And a teaspoon of all things. I wonder who did that. Alright, so I won't put it all in there. There we go. A bit more manure in to bring it up to. Right, and then we'll just mix it through, and I'll put some fresh potting mix in there as well, just to try and give it a bit of body back. Otherwise, it'd be too much manure, too much earthworms. That'll need a really good mix through, and it'll be ready to use. I don't know if it's any cheaper than buying potting mix, I doubt it, but I just don't like wasting the old stuff, especially if it's disease free. Haven't had any diseases in it, so I can reuse it. Oh, look at that avocado seed. That'll break down. Right, just go and get another bag of potting mix to add a bit more in. What I'm actually going to add this time is some LD active soil. Because that depleted potting mix looks so light and just wood chippy, I think this is probably better to add a bit of this. So we'll add about half a bag. This is very heavy stuff. This is not potting mix, as they say. It's far too heavy for potting mix. But that should do nicely. Now we'll mix that through. Right, now, a final touch, I've still got a bit of mixing to do. Just a little bit of NPK. And kick it off a bit more. A couple of handfuls of blood and bone, which we'll mix through. I'm running out of this, so I'm going to have to go to see my good friends at Green Life Soil soon. That'll be expensive because I keep spending too much. Not that their prices are expensive, but I spend a lot there. Break that old hanging basket up. There we go. A little short on mixing up some potting mix. Enjoy life, and I'll see you in the garden.